Hey everyone, welcome back to Next Level English. Today, we're putting your grammar skills to the ultimate test with a challenge: 40 sentences filled with grammar mistakes. Can you spot them all? Let's dive in. 1. Choose the grammatically correct sentence. He doesn't like pizza. Tips: use singular verbs with singular subjects. 2. Spot the error in this sentence: she don't know where the keys are. She doesn't know where the keys are. Tips: pay attention to contractions and subject-verb agreement. 3. Which sentence uses proper subject-verb agreement? The dogs bark loudly. Tips: ensure the verb matches the subject in number. 4. Identify the correct usage. He didn't know the answer. Tips: focus on sentence structure and verb agreement. 5. Find the error in the sentence: each of the boys were given a book. Each of the boys was given a book. Tips: each is always followed by a singular verb. 6. Which sentence is punctuated correctly? I went to the market, bought fruits, and returned. Tips: list items must be punctuated properly. 7. Spot the error in this sentence: he go to school every day. He goes to school every day. Tips: subject-verb agreement is key here. 8. Which sentence is grammatically correct? She does her homework daily. Tips: check for the correct auxiliary and verb form. 9. Choose the correct version of the sentence. I like reading books. Tips: verbs must match the subject and tense. 10. Identify the error in this sentence: there is many problems to solve. There are many problems to solve. Tips: many indicates plural, so the verb must agree. 11th. Find the grammatically correct sentence. The cat sleeps peacefully. Tips: always use correct tense and structure. 12. Which of the following is correct? He walks to the park. Tips: ensure subject and verb agreement. 13. Spot the error: the information is incorrect. The information is incorrect. Tips: information is an uncountable noun, so treat it singularly. 14. Choose the properly structured sentence. They have gone to the store. Tips: ensure the verb agrees with the plural subject. 15. Identify the correct sentence. She runs fast. Tips: check the use of tense and formality. 16. Find the error. She and him went to the market. She and he went shopping. Tips: pronouns must match their grammatical roles. 17. Which sentence is error-free? We were there. Tips: check subject-verb agreement. 18. Spot the correct sentence usage. The bird flies high. Tips: look for spelling and verb usage. 19. Identify the grammatical mistake. Neither of them were ready to go. Neither of them was ready to go. Tips: neither is singular and takes a singular verb. 20. Which sentence uses the correct verb form? She has eaten her lunch. Tips: verb forms must match the tense and subject. 21. Spot the mistake. The scissors is on the table. The scissors are on the table. Tips: scissors is plural and takes a plural verb. 22. Identify the error in this sentence. I didn't know the answer. I didn't know the answer. Tips: past tense of know is new. 23. Which sentence is grammatically accurate? The children run fast. Tips: children is plural, so it takes a plural verb. 24. Spot the error. The data was accurate yesterday but now is missing. The data was accurate yesterday and is now missing. Tips: match the verb to the subject and context. 25. Choose the correctly phrased sentence. He has finished his homework. Tips: check the verb form in agreement with the subject. 26. The house, along with its gardens, are for sale. The house, along with its gardens, is for sale. Tips: ignore prepositional phrases like along with when determining the verb. 27. Spot the grammar errors. She don't like to eat pizza. She doesn't like. Tips: subject-verb agreement. She requires doesn't. 28. Spot the grammar errors. Me and my friend went to the park. My friend and I went. Tips: use the subjective case, I, when it's part of the subject. 29. Spot the grammar errors. The cat is laying on the sofa. The cat is lying on the sofa. Tips: lying means resting flat, laying means putting something down. 30. Spot the grammar errors. They was very happy with the result. They were very happy. Tips: plural subjects. They require plural verbs, were. 31. Spot the grammar errors. If I was a bird, I would fly away. If I were a bird. Tips: use were in subjunctive mood for hypothetical situations. 32. Spot the grammar errors. Each of the students have their own book. Each of the students has. Tips: each is singular and requires a singular verb. 33. Spot the grammar errors. I have less friends than you. I have fewer friends than you. Tips: fewer refers to countable items, less refers to uncountable ones. 34. Spot the grammar errors. Between you and I, this is a secret. Between you and me. Tips: use the objective case, me, after prepositions like between. 35. Spot the grammar errors. She is more taller than her sister. She is taller than. Tips: avoid double comparatives. More taller, use taller directly. 36. Spot the grammar errors. I seen a bird flying by the window. I saw a bird flying. Tips: use the correct past tense form, saw. 37. Spot the grammar errors. He is one of the best student in the class. He is one of the best students. Tips: after one of the use a plural noun. 38. Spot the grammar errors. Whose car is this? Whose car is this? Tips: whose is possessive, whose is a contraction of who is. 39. Spot the grammar errors. They enjoyed very much at the party. They enjoyed themselves at the party. Tips: use themselves when the verb's object is the same as the subject. 40. Identify the error in the sentence. The car needs washed. The car needs to be washed. Tips: used to be in sentences like this. The car needs to be washed. If you enjoyed the quiz, don't forget to hit that like button, comment with your answers, and subscribe to Next Level English for more grammar challenges. Keep improving, and see you in the next video.